We're going to set up your Google Doc to become a timeline and at least make it kind of look like one. So here's what we need to do. We're going to go to File. We're going to go to Page Setup. Change the margins to 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. Change the orientation to landscape. Click OK. Up here at the top, what you're going to do is you're going to type in the title for it, Historical Origins of Racism, hit enter a couple of times, and then we're going to use a table. So we're going to go up here to Insert, Table. We're going to get 5 across, and we're going to go 3 down. Actually, let's do 5 down. And what we're going to do is then we're going to select just this middle row. We're going to right-click on it, and we're going to merge the cells together. Inside of here, let's make it somewhat look like a timeline. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert a horizontal line. So there's that. Maybe if I change this font size a little bit down to 12. Do that as well. But anyway, so there's my timeline. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to extend these other boxes a little bit. So that way I've got some more space, and you're going to have to kind of eyeball this. Get rid of some of the spaces up here. You have to kind of eyeball it. Alright, but what you're going to have then is you're going to have in here this will be where your text goes. This is where your images will go, and you're going to want to resize your images so they stay much smaller, but just stick them in each one of these. Okay. And then when you're all done with this thing, what you're going to do is you're going to go up and you're going to take off the borders so they have 0 width. And then we'll just see each one of your entries, and it'll look like they're around your timeline. So if I put those borders back on, right, and I select all of them, then I'm going to put these back on just so you can see them. But in each one of the boxes, I'm going to have some text and an image. Image, text, and I'll just put them in there. But turn your borders off when you're done, so that way you can kind of see what's going on there. But that's how you're going to end up getting something that sort of looks like these items 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 are on a timeline. And that's how you're going to kind of get it to look like that.